Let us now chant the 12th shloka of second chapter. Natvevaham jatu nasam Natvam neme janadhipaha Natvevaham jatu nasam Natvam neme janadhipaha न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परम् न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परम् नचैव न भविष्यामः. Now all together twice. Natvevaham jatu nasam natvam neme janadhipaha nachaiva na bhavishyamah sarve vayamatah param. Natvevaham jatu nasam natvam neme janadhipaha nachaiva na bhavishyamah sarve vayamatah param. Now let us contemplate this shloka. Jayati parashara sunuhu satyavati hridaya nandano vyasa yasya asya kamalagalitam vangmayam amritam jagat pibati vyasaya bhavanashaya shrishaya gunarashaye hridyaya shuddha vidyaya madhvaya cha namo namaha shankaram shankaracharyam shesham ramanujam yatim vayuncha madhvamacharyam acharyatrayamastriye. Respected Guruji, all the dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and faculties, we are now into the real Bhagavad Gita. As all of you know, as our Guruji started Upadesha yesterday, that is the first Upadesha from Krishna to Arjuna. Actual Bhagavad Gita starts from 2.11. So that is how Upadesha, real Upadesha started yesterday. What was that Upadesha given to Arjuna? Ashochanam ashochastvam pragnavadamscha bhashase gatasuna gatasumscha nanushocanti panditaha. This is the real message what we need to learn in our life also. We bother and break our head to those things which are not worth in our life. This is the first message. Really we are wasting our time. The same thing was started by Krishna to Arjuna. You are breaking your head for those things which are not worth at all. Natvam. So, you are not supposed to do that. That was the message. And you are talking as if you are a great, intelligent man. Pragnavadamscha bhashase. You are talking like an intelligent man, but you are not. So, this is how we behave in our life also. We behave as if we know everything. But we don't know that we don't know. That is one of the biggest mistake in our life, blunder in our life. We do that we don't know that we don't know. By the time we come to know that we don't know, the time will be over. So let us make ourselves aware and awaken that we don't know. Yes, we should know that we don't know. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಶುಡ್ ನೋ. Krishna is continuing here that his upadesha na tu eva aham jatu na asam na tvam na ime janadhipaha. These are the words split so beautiful here. Na cha eva na bhavishyamaha sarve vayam ataha param. He is continuing how, why you are making yourself so ignorant that there is no time that I was not there. There is no time that you are not going to be there. And there is no time that all these people also, na ime janadipaha, all these people are not going to be there. There is no time. That means I was there, I am there now, and I will be there. In the same way, you are also, you was there, you are here now, and you will be there in future also. What do you mean by this? That means only the body changes. You cannot kill the soul, jiva. This is what where in Kathopanishad also we get Nityo Nityanam Chetanaha Chetananam Eko Bahunam Yaha Vidadhati Kaman Yo Vidadhati Kaman. What a beautiful way this is. Kathopanishad also says, reiterates the same thing. This is how Nityo Nityanam. So the soul cannot be slain or cut. You will get other slokas also in future. So this is how. Natvam na ime janadipaha, na chaiva, na bhavishyamaha. There is no time that I am not going to be there, you are not going to be there, and all these people are not going to be there. Then why you are crying now? What is the purpose of your cry? You are simply wasting your time without doing your real duty. You are bothering or lamenting to those things which are not worth. Gatasuna agatasumscha. In the previous sloka he told. That means one who is not here, who is dead, and one who is living. Don't bother. So birth and death is very common. That means it is going to go like a cycle. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam. Recently we completed that. Bhaja Govindam. Punarapi janani jatare shayanam. So you are going to come and go continuously without any break as per your karma, and for that nobody will cry. So we should not cry when a person leaves the body. Why we cry? That means ignorant we are. We should celebrate actually. We do ulta. When birth happens, when deha comes, we celebrate, we distribute sweets. Actually we should cry. Earlier we were only two, husband and wife. Who is supposed to die? Now another person took birth to die, so we should cry. But when a person dies, actually, we should celebrate. Oh, he has gone to take a new body. Is it not? When you take this in this way, we should celebrate. That is why procession is a celebration of death celebration. That means that soul has gone in search of a new body. It is a beautiful celebration actually. So we do ulta. We cry when a person dies. That shows our so much of attachment there. So that is only ignorance. That is what Krishna is telling here. And in Shvetashvatara Upanishad also the same sloka repeats Nityo Nityanam Chetanas Chetananam, but the version second pada is going to be different there. But this is the way how Krishna is giving. We are going to be there forever. Let us contemplate this. We have to think that, see, when we do good things, Ajara Maravat Pragnaha Vidyam Arthancha Sadayet. When you are learning and earning, you should think that you are going to be living forever. I like that only. Ajara Maravat Pragnaha. Then Grihita Yuva Kesheshu Mrutyuna Dharmam Acharet. What a beautiful way Subhashita says this. As if Yamaraja is dragging your hairs with his, holding the hair. He is dragging your body. Like that you should think when you do dharma. So this is the beautiful Kannada saying. When you give something to others in left hand also, it should not come down to the right hand. By the time you think that it should be given in right hand, your mind may change. Oh, let me give tomorrow. Then gone. That tomorrow will never come. So this is how, that means when you do something good, you should never think, immediately you should do it all. But when you are earning and learning, you should think that you should live for, you will be living forever. Like that only you must learn and earn. That means, Ved ajaramaravat prajnaha vidyamartantha sadayet grihita ivakesheshu mrityuna dharmamacharet. So we must think that this is the way how Krishna is advising Arjuna. Your thought process itself is wrong. That I am killing all these people, oh, all acharyaha, pitaraha, putraha, tataivacha, pitamaha, etan, nahantumicham. All these are bogus. Why you are doing this? Why you are talking this nonsense? This is not Arjuna to be thought like this. You are Arjuna, you are a Gandivi. You have won so many battles, is it not? So that is the reason why you are not supposed to. This is the beautiful message from Krishna that we need to adopt. Ashocyanam ashochaspam natvevaham jatanasam. How he is going to reiterate and re-establish his concept of this philosophy, he will say in the next shloka, Dehinosmin yatani. That we will see tomorrow. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you.